There you go. Yeah. Give her. Okay, what do you got? Show the camera. Yeah, a Misdreavus. You can see that well. A Phantom. And a Gourgeist. Yeah. Your dad popped that one for you.
Wow.
And then there's a Lycanroc, how do you say that?
Like right.
Specterior.